This example demonstrates how to customize the user experience of the chart types dropdown. This feature lets you add your own custom visualizations or modify existing visualizations and groups in the chart types dropdown using the Reveal API. To see this in action, I'll edit this dashboard, then click New Visualization. I'll select the marketing table from the list of available options in my spreadsheet. Once the dashboard is in edit mode, I'll click the chart types dropdown to see my custom Acme grid. Note that I don't have the standard grid or the text view. If I select the Acme grid, you'll see the empty state on the right, just like any other chart. Once I drag some fields to populate this grid, you'll see my custom grid. My custom grid has additional features that you wouldn't otherwise see in the standard Reveal grid. The grid toolbar includes column pinning, hiding, different search and filter options, and exporting options, and the column headers offer additional features in the overflow menu. I'll click the Save button, and then I'll save the dashboard. As expected, this custom visualization is rendered in the normal flow of my dashboard. If I maximize my visualization, the grid expands to full screen. I can use the built-in pager to navigate my data. All of these features exist in my custom visualization, with data bound from the Reveal data layer. If I go to edit mode again and edit the dashboard filter, I'll connect my new visualization to the existing filter. Now, when I use the filter and select Japan, for example, you'll see both visualizations are filtered by Japan. When you bind a custom visualization to Reveal using the Reveal JavaScript bridge, all dashboard interactions work as if your custom visualization were a native Reveal visualization. If I switch over to Visual Studio, you'll see how we achieved this. First, to remove any charts from the chooser, simply pass the chart types in an array to the chart types filter method. Then, to add my new Acme grid, I use the chart types push method to add my Acme grid to the grids group. Note that I am also passing the URL of my custom visualization. This can be in the same project as your Reveal view or any endpoint for your custom visualization. If we go back and look at the chart types dropdown again, you'll notice the grids are removed. You can remove as many of the native Reveal visualizations as you'd like with the chart types filter method. Likewise, you can add as many groups with as many custom visualizations as you'd like with the chart types push method. The goal of this feature is to give you complete control over the user experience of the chart types dropdown. To learn more about using this feature, review the chart types documentation, which covers how to update, remove, and add custom chart types. You can review the RV chart type enumeration to see the available chart types and the correct names if you'd like to remove them from the chart types dropdown. And there you have it. In a few lines of code, you learned how to take control over the UX of the chart types dropdown in Reveal.